Okay, next project up on the bench today is a Sony Mega Storage 300 CD changer. Customer says it's skipping and not wanting to play discs very well. He's having some issues with it. It's quite old. Boy, it was full of CDs, I'll tell you that. They were flopping everywhere inside when I got this thing back. So anyway, I've got it opened up. As you can see what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to blow it out, get all the dust and dirt out of it. Then we're going to lube everything, clean the laser lens assembly, check the belts, the whole 9 yards. So I'll be back when I get the next amount of work done, and we'll shoot some more video on this thing. And hopefully here in a little while we'll be playing some music. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back on the Sony Mega CD storage changer thingy here. Yeah, I went through all this thing, put it all back together, and we're still having some issues with it. So I had to take it all back apart and address some other issues with this thing. Finally got everything squared away. It was kind of crazy. It's like it had a whole bunch of stuff programmed in it. Like you put in a disc, and it would take the disc, put it in, and read it, but it would say it was the wrong labeled disc. It was some other artist, this, that, and the other. So I had to go through and completely erase all of the memory storage on this. It seemed like it just had some crazy stuff stored in there. I don't know what the deal was, but the thing was just really, really confused. So after I managed to erase all that, basically what I did is I did a factory reset on the thing. But after I did that, I was able to start actually making some headway on it, because it was kind of weird. After I blew it all out and cleaned it and everything and put it all back together earlier, everything was working. But then after I started going, okay, well, let's open, close it, switch disk, all the stuff I have to do when I test stuff, repeat the same thing over and over and over. So it started having some issues. I had some disk loading errors. Sometimes it would take the disk, put it into the player, and then swing it right back out, and it would just sit there and repeat that process over and over, but it would never completely load or play the disc. So yeah, it was just doing some crazy stuff. So like I said, I managed to get that all squared away. I've been sitting here playing it for a while, been opening and closing it and changing discs, and so far it's working perfectly every time now. So I think I finally got this thing figured out. Just kind of weird, but anyway, yeah, she's back working, and I'm going to try to get this thing delivered before the end of the day back to the customer here. But yeah, I just wanted to come back in on the video and kind of explain what was happening. It was just acting completely random and crazy. But anyway, it's working the way it's supposed to now. I think the customer will be happy. He was really kind of bummed that this quit working. He went out and bought himself a little 5 or 6 disc carousel player, but he's just really not happy. I mean, my God, when I open this thing up, my God, this thing's full of CDs. That's full of. I think it literally had about 300 CDs rattling around inside of the thing. So, but anyway, she's done and ready to go, and I'll see you guys on the next vid.